Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He to the market every Sunday. Option C is correct answer. Question 2. I watching a movie when you called. Option B is correct answer. Question 3. They in this house for 5 years. Option C is correct answer. Question 4. She already finished her homework. Option C is correct answer. Question 5. We to the party last night. Option C is correct answer. Question 6. If I rich, I would travel the world. Option C is correct answer. Question 7. The boys playing in the park. Option B is correct answer. Question 8. She sings then her sister. Option B is correct answer. Question 9. This is the book I have ever read. Option C is correct answer. Question 10. He English fluently. Option B is correct answer. Question 11. You like to have some tea? Option C is correct answer. Question 12. They go to school if it rains. Option C is correct answer. Question 13. The baby crying when I entered the room. Option B is correct answer. Question 14. She to complete the project on time. Option D is correct answer. Question 15. Neither the teacher nor the students present. Option B is correct answer.